Hello again. Busting out some content today. So this is the 2021 GMC Acadia 3.6. Customer's been back to the dealership 2 times in 55,000 miles. Once was for a radiator, twice, which is now, as they said, they need a thermostat. They told him the last time he had the fans running after he was driving the car, that the car was overheating because his radiator is leaking. Not sure what that is. That's history for what they worked on it. Now he's back again saying the fans are still running after he shuts the car off. I just verified that it didn't happen here. The cooling system is full. Temperature gauge was acting a little strange. I do remember this affecting fan controls on the newer generations. They said it needs a thermostat. Job's $1,000. Customer said, yeah, let me just take it to Meineke and let them see what they have to say about this. New vehicles, new problems, tons of expense. So some TSBs, I already kind of knew this already. It's either going to be the pulse width modulated fan is bad, or the thermostat, or both. It could have 2 problems. This car by no means is brand new anymore, even though it's a 2021. Tons of TSBs in the cooling system. Information for overheating and cooling system contaminated with engine oil. That's not good, people. Fluid and spark plug tubes, coolant and oil leak. We're not worried about that. Coolant bottle is full. Hopefully the dealer didn't top it off. Information on change of procedure for thermostat replacement for HFV6 Gen 2 transverse mounted engines. DTC 261F. Coolant pump issues. Man, these cars just have tons of issues. Engine light is not on in this car. Driver's information center. Temperature gauge inaccurate. So to me, when I started it around 125 degrees and I revved it, it did that jump, that concerns me. It should be a smooth change. Inaccurate, or the cooling fans running after the vehicle's turned off with this code set. Steam or vapor coming from the grill. There is just a bunch of problems just in the cooling system history. It does have a thermostat code in here currently. It's lost communications with the instrument cluster already. It's got invalid data received from the powertrain control module. Lost communications with the radio. All the serious stuff doesn't really have any codes in it, but these could be just intermittent software glitches, could be anything. The radio's got issues, the power steering control module's got issues, the active safety module has an issue with loss with communications. This car is 55,000 miles on, and he just left the dealer, and I guarantee he's not aware of all these other system problems. 100% guaranteed. This should be still under warranty.
When I was working
in the ADAS
at the dealership, they said ignore all body codes. The only codes you should be paying attention to are P codes, unless there's a customer complaint revolving around the body code.
Is that crazy? I mean,
that was just general practice.
Yeah, for me, I want the customer to know what's going on with the car. I don't want to say, ever since my radio stopped, ever since my amplifier stopped, ever since my ADAS system stopped, and this is all just telling you there's fault codes and issues going on.
They said unless there was a customer complaint about it.
Yeah, I get it. But this could need a software update. Probably hasn't had any.
Well, exactly.
Why wouldn't a dealer recommend it while they were there?
Because the software updates take hours. There are only 2 laptops shared in the whole place of the shop-specific scanners.
Even at Ford,
and they wouldn't let you use. They told you not to use like a general scanner. They don't want you using the Snap-on scanner.
Yeah, they want to use the laptop or tablet.
They want you to use the Ford IDS system.
Okay, so there you have it. He needs a thermostat, and that was just going to be the first move into this problem. That doesn't mean that he still doesn't have a problem with his fan. That's to be seen. All right, so I just wanted to show you what we get, what the dealership's doing to the customers, and the level of service here at Meineke Cinnamons. Thanks for watching.